So I just finished installing this crankshaft seal on my timing plate, timing cover. I did not have the proper tool, so what I did, I put this so that it wouldn't hit flat on some wood. I took the old seal, put it on top, took a piece of wood, and then I beat it with my hammer very carefully, a little bit at a time, and check so that it goes in evenly. And then once it got there, I took a piece of PVC, cut it, and put a spacer in it so that it would fit over this part of the seal, and so that it was half on the seal and half on the cover. And then I knocked that down until it's flush all the way around, because you want it to be flush. So this side here, oh, that's flush. So you want it to be on perfectly flush, otherwise you might not get a good seal. I put a little bit of grease, just high temperature grease, to help me slide it on. I'm going to grease the inside before I put the timing cover back on. So I'll show you here. Make sure that I don't pinch the inside. I block of wood. I hold the cover down. And a little bit at a time. Obviously you can get a seal kit. I know you can rent them at Canadian Tire. Some places will let you borrow theirs for free, instead of you buying it and then returning it after you're done using it. But as in a pinch, it's Sunday, we're in lockdown, so this works. Make sure there's no sawdust. That's how you do it.